saan ka pinaka-fan of? Ano yung never nawawala sa multivitamin stash mo?
Of course, I always, when it comes to the skin, I always try to consider giving zinc. No, it's not only good for the skin, it's also for the immune system. Vitamin A, it's not only good for the skin, especially if you're oily skin or keratosis pilaris, chicken skin, or halimbawa acne, no? It's also good for the gut. It heals the gut because the gut is where most of our immune cells are, no? And most of the skin diseases come from gut
Gut
problem,
problems.
no? Kaya it also improves the gut at the same time yun yung skin mo. At the same time, I also want yung mga sa dry skin, yung fish oil, it's anti-inflammatory, no? So nakakatulong din yan. And of course, mga phytonutrients like yung mga quercetin, yung mga tinatawag niyan, these are antioxidants. And of course, glutathione. Glutathione is an antioxidant.
Pero saan nahanap yung quercetin pala? Parang
probiotics too, probiotics.
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 Ano yung pro, pre, tsaka postbiotics?
Okay, kasi yung mga prebiotics na yan, it's actually the food for the probiotics.
Oh.
No? So parang ano siya. Pero binibigay din siya, no, to feed the good bacteria.
Oh, wow.